Looking to save on Scribophile's premium membership in 2025? Here's how to find and apply promo codes easily. Step 1. Search online for Scribophile promo codes to discover current discounts. Look for offers like 20% to 30% off, which are often available through writing communities and partner websites. Step 2. Sign up for Scribophile's email newsletter. Subscribers often receive exclusive discount codes and early access to sales. NaNoWriMo.org. Step 3. Follow Scribophile on social media platforms. They occasionally share special promotions and limited time offers with their followers. Step 4. During checkout on Scribophile's website, enter the promo code in the designated field. Ensure the code is valid and not expired to apply the discount successfully. Bonus tip. Some writing events and organizations offer exclusive Scribophile discount codes to their participants. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save. NaNoWriMo.org. With these steps, you can access Scribophile's top-notch writing community at a discounted price.